How Cameroonians abroad can buy land safely. If you live abroad and you want to buy land in Cameroon, please do not buy with emotions alone. There are some things that you must take into consideration if you want to buy land safely in Cameroon. And in this video, we're going to talk about 4 of those things. And number 1, work with professionals. There are 3 professionals that you must engage as a Cameroonian abroad if you want to safely buy land in Cameroon. The first is a real estate consultant. A real estate consultant is me in this case. If you're meeting me for the first time, if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Atega Daniel, and I'm a certified real estate consultant with the Realtor School and the Fort Real Estate Academy based in Nigeria. And also, I'm the lead marketer at Property Trust Group, one of the leading real estate companies here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. I'm also a realtor's coach and a top-selling realtor. All of that was just to tell you that I'm a professional real estate consultant that you can trust, and we at Property Trust Group are raising professional real estate consultants that you can trust and work with. The second set of person, before I move to the second, the goal of the real estate consultant or the real estate company is to identify the best real estate deals that are profitable to you as an investor or as a Cameroonian abroad or as a foreigner or even as a high net worth individual or politician here in the country who is looking to invest long-term in real estate. So our goal is to identify the best and profitable real estate deals and then present to you for you to invest your hard-earned money in. The second person is a professional licensed surveyor. And us as a company, we work directly with the regional delegate and we have licensed surveyors that are working with us. The job of a licensed surveyor is to make sure that the size of the property you want to buy on paper is the same size on ground, and also to make sure that there are no encumbrances into the property. The third professional you need is a professional property lawyer. You need a lawyer, you need the legal part. The job of the lawyer is to check the legalities, the document, the title, and make sure that the property is not in dispute anywhere with anybody, with any chief, anywhere in the country, in the city. All right, so these are the 3 professionals. The first is a professional real estate consultant. The second is a professional licensed surveyor. The third is a professional property lawyer, or a lawyer who has been in the game. Even if the lawyer is not particularly dedicated to property law, but the lawyer has experience in property law, right? Has experience in the field of real estate and has been there and has solved problems, and you see the person competent enough, then you can work with that person. The second thing you need to do as a Cameroonian abroad to be able to buy land safely is to visit the site, right? Request for videos, request for pictures of the area, let them send it to you. Let the real estate company or the real estate professional you're working with send to you. Make sure you see the place. If you're out of the country, you're abroad, you can do a virtual site inspection or send a representative here in the country to go see the site, right? Now, you might be saying that that's a lot of stress, but it's your hard-earned money we are talking about here. You want to invest your millions, your thousands of dollars, of euro, of dirham into real estate, into buying a property. So why not sacrifice 10,000, 20,000, 15,000 francs to send to a real estate and say, travel to Buea, go and check this property, talk with the people. Are they real? Do they have an office? What are they doing? Check how are they, right? There's just, this way that when you do a site inspection, you can be able to pinpoint and know that, hey, this is a red flag, this is a green flag. The third thing is, don't send money because of pressure or because they say the land is too cheap. Take your time. One of the red flags, or one of the things that I usually advise investors, especially Cameroonians abroad, to check when buying the land is their instincts, right? Your instincts most times will not lie to you. So if you just feel that, hey, this deal is not good, please don't invest. All right? Don't invest. So no matter the pressure, no matter how cheap the property is, and a few days ago, I did a video on the difference between a cheap land and a good land, or cheap price and a good price, right? You should buy a property because it is a good price and not because it's a cheap price. Okay? So that's one of the things. And the last is keep record of payment, of conversation, and of documents. Keep record. The reason is so that the seller That's if you are buying from a private individual. The seller will not later on come back and say, oh, you didn't buy from me, didn't send me any money and stuff like that. But if you are buying from a genuine real estate company that has integrity, then you have nothing to fear about. Okay, the only thing you need to do is to safeguard your documents. If you take note of these things and follow what I've said in this video, you will be able to safely buy land in Cameroon as a Cameroonian abroad, especially if you want to buy at a current estate called Biaka Legacy Estate located at Bokwango. This estate is a project of 8 hectares or 80,000 square meters that is titled, meaning that it has a land certificate, and it has social amenities like light and water. The access road there is wide open. There are people living along the access road. It's not far away from development, just 5 to 7 minutes drive from the Bokwango Health Center and main Bokwango Third Road. So it's currently selling on the promo price of 3 million francs, 3.5 million, and 4.5 million francs. If you're a Cameroonian abroad, you want to take advantage of this. You want to buy 2 plots, 6 plots, 1 hectare,